We'll guide you through how to download Krita, a fantastic tool for digital painting and illustration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Krita website by typing in krita.org. Once you're there, you'll see a big download button on the home page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can choose the version that matches your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, Krita has you covered. Click on the appropriate download link for your system, and the download should start automatically. If you're on Windows, you'll likely be downloading an installer file. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty straightforward. You just need to agree to the terms and conditions. Choose your installation folder, and then let the installer do its thing. For Mac OS users, you will download a disk image file. Open it and drag the Krita icon into your Applications folder. Linux users might have a few more steps, depending on your distribution, but generally, you can find Krita in your package manager or use the app image file provided on the website. Once installed, launch Krita from your Applications menu. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen where you can start a new project or explore the various tutorials and resources available. Krita's interface is user-friendly, with a variety of toolbars and panels that you can customize to suit your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.